Good morning, this is Jeff from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 29th of October. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis of it with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, got an announcement this morning. I'm putting up a paywall on for these videos, and this is going to be coming in from the 1st of November. So after that, obviously you need to be a subscriber at my Substack, which is ctmcrypto.substack.com, to receive my morning emails, which you already would need to be, but and the videos. The videos I'm going to post. I'm going to post publicly on YouTube after a delay of 3 days, I think. So we'll see. All right, but that's going in on Saturday morning, the 1st of November. All right, great. Let's have a look at where we are on crypto today. Okay, we're in an inflection point here, and the inflection point, I'll do a post today, but the inflection point is between this bearish setup here, which has us breaking down towards the 88.3 to 90k area on Bitcoin, or a rejection back up to 126.3. Now, at the moment, the bulls had a pretty good week last week. We broke back over and closed over the weekly middle band. We're still struggling to hold that at the moment, but it's only really the close at the end of the week that matters in terms of this. So if it can close over the weekly middle band, currently at 113.829 at the end of the week, then that will confirm last week's close above. We will see how that goes. On the daily chart, we've broken back over the daily middle band, although we're not far above it. But we've held above that for 2 or 3 days now, which is encouraging. Resistance on the upside is at the 50 DMA at 114.375. Break and convert that, and that opens a retest of the all-time high at 126.3. Looking at Solana, Solana has been holding the weekly middle band throughout. We've gone down below it intra-week, but we've been holding it overall. On the daily chart, we've got a back test of we've broken back over the daily middle band, we've back tested it, and at the moment we are continuing higher. The real resistance here is again the 50 DMA. I've got that at 212.52. A break over that opens up a possible retest of the September high at 253.58. That is looking pretty good at the moment, but still needs to get back over the 50 DMA, as does Bitcoin. Looking at the hourly chart, not a lot to see really. I would note that we've got this very nice looking rising megaphone here. I was concerned about this breaking down last week because it would be a big level. There was a series of big levels we were sitting on last week, but they haven't broken down yet, and they may not. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum was holding the weekly middle band, of course. On the daily chart, no current divergence. We've broken back over and been trading for about 2 or 3 days above the daily middle band, which is good. Again, resistance on the upside is at the 50 DMA. I've got that at 42.23, and a sustained break that's been tested on the upside so far. And rejected, but that needs to break and convert to open up a retest of the all-time high here too, and that's at 4955.89. If we can get over these 50 day moving averages, then there's a pretty good chance we're going to see a retest of highs next. If we can't get over and we go back below the daily middle bands, then I'm looking at the downside. We've got a nice looking head and shoulders here on Ethereum, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And we've got a pretty decent one looking again on Solana. This is left shoulder, head, right shoulder. These are forming. These may yet play out. So we're in an inflection point here, and we'll go one way or the other, and we're waiting to see. It's all about the 50 DMAs on the upside. We'll see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, I think it's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Look out for a post. I'll have one out.